This is the panel for adjusting the cutter speed. This is the panel for adjusting the roll-up shaft speed. This is the switch for the cutter. This is the switch for the roll-up shaft. This is the panel that records the length of the cut paper. This is the constant tension panel. Number 1. This is the panel for controlling the tension of shaft that releases the paper roll. Number 2. This is the panel for controlling the tension of roll-up shaft. Number 3. This is the panel for adjusting the roll offset. You usually don't need to adjust this, only if your raw material roll has uneven edges. The lower the value, the better the correction. Please see the example below. Tension of shaft that releases paper roll, 0.76. The tension of roll-up shaft, 0.72. Constant tension, 609. When adjusting the parameters, we should ensure that the tension of shaft that releases the paper roll *100 is greater than the constant tension, and the tension of roll-up shaft *100 is greater than the constant tension.